You talk about pot size. Are you talking diameter, or are you talking about depth, or both?
Right, both, and soil composition. The bigger the plant, the bigger the drink. So you want to, if you have a big plant like these dahlias, they require a bigger drink than something that is smaller, requires a smaller drink. And it can go in a smaller container also. The canopy is just the amount of plant material that can stop the water from getting into the container. This canopy isn't full, so when you water, a lot of water gets into that container. But if you have a fuller canopy, like this, or like the ones down here, when you water them, then they can shed off a lot of the water if you have the hose up high. You can get your hose in and water them more thoroughly. According to a new study done by UMass, which was so interesting, if you water in the morning when it's cooler, once the temperature goes above 60 degrees, and between 60 to 70, by the time it hits 70 degrees, it doubles in humidity. And so you really have to, again, water in the morning, keep it off the foliage, but if it's cooler and you're watering things, then there's less likelihood of the humidity moving in, and that's really what causes a lot of powdery mildew and a lot of fungal diseases.